What's up everybody, it's your boy Maddie with WilliSilicon, and in the video today, I'm going to buy a PC. So I decided to hop on Newegg.com today, and I happened to notice that they have a new PC builder module. So then I decided to check it out and see how much bang I could get for 500 bucks. All right, let's see here. CPU. Okay, so I'm doing a budget of $500. I'm not gonna go above that, including shipping and taxes. So, sort this by price. So I guess these are the cheapest that are in stock right now. Now let's select in stock. Want at least a quad core. Can I do this by seller? Because I do not want anything from Newegg Marketplace. People go crazy on Newegg Marketplace with their prices. I guess I can't sort it by seller. Okay. This can't be the cheapest they have in stock. Apparently this tool does not show you everything that they have unless you narrow it down yourself. All right, let's see which one of these are faster on, let's see which one of these is faster on Passmark. Okay, this has a really good single thread rating, so that will be better for a gaming PC probably than the Ryzen 3200G. Okay, the Ryzen is better multi-core, but not as good single core. And it costs more. So if we can get a cheap motherboard for the i3, then that'd be the one to go with. Select that. Alright, motherboard. Okay, and it automatically shows motherboards for the processor. Let's go cheapest. $57.99. It's pretty cheap. Ooh, but I can get a B360 for just a couple dollars more. I don't need to get an expensive motherboard because this processor cannot be overclocked anyway. That is one thing about the Ryzen, it can be overclocked, but I'm going as cheap as I can. Try to spend the most of my money on the graphics card. Alright, that was not too bad on this. Got a USB 3 front panel. Has an M.2 slot. Looks pretty cool. Okay. Looks like a good choice. Memory. Lowest price. All right, what we got? 16, 2x8. Okay. CL16, 3000 speed. 3200 speed. For $1.50 more. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this T-Force. What about shipping on that? Oh yeah, free shipping. I'm gonna do video card last after I see what I got left. Let's find a power supply. Gonna go cheap. I know they got power supplies cheaper than $65. In stock. Okay, now it's showing a cheaper one. 430 watt, $6 shipping. All right, this is gonna have some ugly ketchup and mustard cables, but it will have everything that we need. 80 plus white. And I'll go with that one. All right. Case. Going super cheap. That's top mounted. Why isn't it showing me everything? Okay, this isn't working. I mean, it's in beta, but this tool is not, it's like it's showing you what Newegg wants you to see or something, I don't know. All right, now I'm gonna see if I can find that case that I know is cheaper than these. Boom, there it is, $5 shipping, $35. Definitely looks nicer than the top mounted power supply cases. And this one has a fan. This is micro ATX. So I don't know why this isn't popping up in the PC builder module. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add that. Okay, so now we just need storage and video card. We're just gonna use the box cooler that comes with the i3. All right, I want at least a 500 gig SSD. Oh wow. Team Group has a 512 gigabyte M.2 SSD. And that's the cheapest 512. Let's look at this way. That is a good deal. Of course, it's not NVMe or anything like that. Oh, free shipping too. Okay, we're up to $287.95 before shipping and tax. Well, plus the case. I'm just gonna go ahead and add all of this. Let's see what we're up to. $333.75 with shipping. $353.78 with tax. So that's gonna leave me like $130 for a graphics card. I think it's gonna have to be a 570. Just saying that's the cheapest here. a 4 gigabyte 570, unfortunately. 150, that's gonna be too much. That's gonna go over 500. 570 is about the same performance as the 1650. Yeah, looks like it's gonna have to be the 570s. Almost 6. 570 is gonna be the most powerful thing I can get, I believe. All right, now add just the video card to the cart. All right, we're at $447.93 before shipping and tax. Case, power supply, RAM, motherboard, CPU, storage, graphics card. $458.74 with shipping. $486.26. Not bad. All right, make sure that's everything. Okay, I should have everything by the 1st. All right, here we go. So there we go. $500 Newegg PC paid for. Now I just have to wait for everything to come in, and I'm gonna do a build video and see exactly how much bang we get for our buck on Newegg. So go ahead and toss a like on this video, subscribe, ring that bell, and then you'll be notified whenever that build video comes out. I'm actually really excited to get these parts in and build it. If you want, go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this part selection. Maybe leave your suggestions for a future build. Oh, and if you didn't already know, I'm giving away a used PC. You can check out that video here and go ahead and enter that Gleam giveaway. Well, that's it for this video, everybody. Stay safe and have fun.